I will teach you how to use Logi T5. To open the device, please press the power button. Then press enter. Here is your main menu. On this one is simple inventory. Let's press 1. Then you will see new house, house list, house delete. Let's press 2. If there is list, there's no list. Let's press 1. Let's make a list, a house. If you want to change it to letters, just press the number sign. Yeah, and let's make a house name. Here is my house name, storage one. And if you're done, please enter. You can press this one or this one. On your storage one, you will see your inventory list, wireless export, and data clip. Let's do an inventory. Now scan an item. I will try to scan the UPS. Now let's go to the list and check the barcode. Here I save 5 UPS. Exit. Let's try to import the storage that we scanned. To check, please press 3, then enter. You will see it's transferred to your computer. Now we try the data collection by pressing 2. Then let's view if there's a list. Okay. You can choose by scroll down and scroll up. If you want to delete data, go to menu, exit, then press 3, then press this one to delete the data, enter. There you go. Now let's collect a data. Press 2, then scroll down. You will see a UPS, then you enter. Up. Then press 1 to collect data, then scan the UPS. Then skip. On the collection list, you will see the data of the UPS. Then if you want to export the UPS data collection, just press 3, then send. That's how you start data on Hiroji T5. Thank you.